Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video with Crypto Ninjas. My name is Dale, and this video I'll walk you through how to use the best Binance referral code to unlock your exclusive welcome bonuses, rewards, and save on trading fees. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. The best Binance referral code is BBK640Y5 on the screen right now. Head over to the Binance sign up page or click the first link in the description, which will lead you directly to the registration page. This code instantly gives you 20% off of the trading fees on both spot and futures market. Plus, as a new user, this code gives you up to $100 in welcome bonuses and get access to exclusive events and trading competitions. After signing up, the next step is complete KYC. Make sure to complete KYC verification to activate all of your rewards. The last step is completing the onboarding tasks. I will keep updating the referral code, so no matter when you're watching this video, you will always get the best bonuses and trading fees discounts. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas. Use our referral code and happy trading.